Hello and welcome. Good morning. Today is the 17th of March 2022. I am your host, Maurice Rothwell, international trading coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg, and we are logged in yet again for the morning market opening trade in the DAX. So as we come over to the MetaTrader 4, in the top right hand corner, we're going to see our SwissBox trading tool. This is what we're going to be using to place, execute, and activate all of our trades. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the box and we're going to press these box lines on. And once I press those box lines on, we get these two lines appear in the chart. We've got a green line and a red line. These two lines are representing two pending orders. The green one is a buy stop and the red one is a sell stop. Now in the middle, you might notice 12.5. That's telling us there's 12.5 points of range in market price between those two pending orders. Ultimately, what our goal here is to trap the market within that small range before we expect any kind of big market movement, any breakout. So what we're looking for is high volatile moments in the market, hence why we're trading 4 minutes before the opening. We can also use it to trade breakouts, support and resistance levels, so on and so forth. So now we've got that here. Now we look into the chart, we can see the price of the market here in the candles, and here we also have some purple lines. These are called big numbers. So these big numbers we consider to be pivot points in the market price. So what we can do sometimes is we can place our trap over the top of these big number prices. We do also have a little bit more information in the chart. We've got our daily pivots down here supporting Fibonacci's, and above the daily pivot, we're going to have our resisting Fibonacci's too. We do also have our open range box. So the morning's open range is around 52 points this morning. However, we're not going to take much notice of that unless we're going to go for a trap just here at the bottom of this, what we like to call a bit of a C-box trade. However, we've got 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes now until the market opens itself. So what we can do is we can wait for our two zones. The two zones that I will be happy to trade this morning is this one here on this big number, or just down here at the bottom of our open or our opening range this morning. So whichever one comes first before the opening, we can get a entry on there. And then once we've decided which one, we can click on this button over here called entry off. It will turn the entry on. And then at that moment, you'll see that trap range turn yellow color. So look, let's go for this top one. So now I've pressed entry on. We see the inside of our trap is now shaded in yellow. That means that it's now a pending box. So we can see inside our SwissBox over here, we can see flat pending. So that means it's a trap. It's not yet active. It's waiting to be activated. So as soon as the market falls into that trap, the box will activate and it will set two pending orders like so. And once the market's fallen in, now once it escapes, like it's doing now, it's coming past our red line. As soon as it surpasses the green or the red, what's going to happen is it's going to open a trade in that direction. At the moment that it opens a trade in that direction, we're going to get a blue line appear in the chart, and that blue line is our take profit. So that's our target. Now the target is already predetermined due to our settings within the SwissBox over here. So we can see that my target is 0.076% from this single trade, and that's this goal just over here. So we've got this blue line, and that is my 0.076% target. Now we still have a minute to go before the opening. At this moment, it's not really that, it's completely irrelevant in which direction the market goes. So now you can see that the market is pushing up and it's actually going in the opposite direction of our target. So this is, as I said, irrelevant to what we're doing at the moment, as the SwissBox can trigger a trade in the opposite direction. So if we're now to surpass that green line, what's going to happen? We're going to open a second trade into a long position, and then our blue line, this take profit, our target, will jump from the bottom of the chart to the top, and that will be our new target, also at 0.076%. And we can continue to do this and open trades in different directions until we hit our target. As soon as we do reach that target, what's going to happen is all of the trades will close simultaneously, and then the leftover profit should be exactly 0.076%. So there you go. There's the next trade there, and there's the opening. We can see there's a little bit of movement. So just zoom out a little bit there. And there's now we can see that we're in trade number 3. So it says here with a red arrow pointing down and 3-dot trade telling us that we're currently short in the market and it's our 3rd trade. Now, of course, sometimes at the market opening, we can see a little bit of a slow start, but after the market gets going and sort of chooses a direction to move, it should be pretty easy for us to be on the right side of that movement. The thing is, at the market opening, no one really knows in which direction the market is going. Not 100% anyway. We can make a lot of analysis and we can base a very good assumption on where the market's going due to previous experience and so on. However, in reality, when it comes down to the moment, nobody knows for sure in which direction the market's going to go. And that's why we've got the SwissBox. As you can see, first trade was short, then we went long. Some people might follow that long candle up and go for a buy. And some people might still be short, but we're in both sides of the market. And there it was. There's the close. So there's the close for today. 1 minute after the opening. First trade closed, €9.11, 0.08% profit locked in and loaded. And it's as easy as that, guys. So there's the opening trade yet again. We'll be back again tomorrow for tomorrow's market opening trade. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to test the tools out for yourself and have a go with the SwissBox, visit the website TradersClub24.com. Link is down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the live trading room. So take care and until tomorrow.
Thank you for watching, guys, and keeping up with our live trading room. If you want to see more content involving a range of different other trading products, please hit that like and subscribe button and we will create